Minnie's summer day.
In the first picture, I can see that the the Donald, the male duck, has come to Mickey's house. He is looking so tired and sad, and they and all their friends, they it was a summer day, and they were too tired, and it was so hot day, and they could not uh, tolerate the sweat that was coming, and so they were sitting outside. So Mickey brings juice for all of them and gives, and they got a plan. They got a plan to go to adventure. So everyone plans and they feel so happy in the picture, and uh, they go to adventure to a hill station, some like that, in a red color car. They all are sitting and enjoying, and all they are singing the music and enjoying and going to the somewhere. And in the next picture, I can see that there is a there is a lake. Uh, they are play they are playing the with spring rake and football and throw ball and all. And the Donald, he wanted to go to fishing, and so he runs to the fishing. There he saw a lake, so he called everyone. Everyone dived into the lake, and for some time they swam in the lake, and they just took a break, and they found some mushrooms. So Mickey bought them mushrooms, and they all baked in the uh, near to the lake. They put a fire camp, and they were just enjoying by eating and baking the mushrooms, and they will come back home again.
The missing daffodils.
Mm, Minnie and Daisy, they are both of them are going to pluck some flowers, and they find something over there, and the board is written daffodils, and they are there are yellow color daffodil flowers down, and um, Daisy says something surprisingly, and Minnie listens to it, and she uh, Minnie had actually bought the daffodil flowers and kept it, and so Mickey comes and gives the uh, flowers to the Minnie, and she asks whether he had he had plucked the flowers from her garden. He says no, and so they they were finding out the mystery. So they find there was a dog called Guffy. Guffy, he was just going on the way, and he playing with some thread or something like that, and they speak to him. He says something to them, and they go to a shop where there will be daffodil flowers. They four of them, Daisy, Gappu, Minnie, and Mickey. They are standing in the window of the shop, seeing the daffodil flowers. There is a man, very fat, wearing blue color dress. They they go they go to the shop. They ask something. He say whether he had plucked the flowers from Minnie's garden. He says no, he had bought from somewhere, and they go they go to the someone's house. That lady is wearing yellow color dress, yellow and with the red dots, and she says she had only given the daffodil flowers to the man, and she's there standing in the atmosphere where there is a cow shed, and back there is a fencing. Inside the fencing there are grasses, and they in the next picture I can see that the one of the goat is uh, eating all the daffodil flowers, and they all are standing and laughing.